Here is how I have doubled my profits as a Forex trader by only changing one thing and placing no more trades. I'm Jack Beanie, the main trader for the Limitless Trading Club with over 7 years trading experience and over 300k in trading capital. I'm going to show you how I have doubled my profits from trading. What have I changed to my trading strategy and how has this doubled my profits? So have you been there where you place more trades and gain no more profit? This is what we're talking about. When I first started trading at the age of 19, I thought that more trades meant more profits, and also thought that I had to be placing trades every single day the markets were open. Well, fast forward now, 7 years later, I only place between 4 and 8 trades per month, and I focus on more capital and less trades because that gives me better profits. So let's get into how I doubled my profits without placing any more trades per month. To start with, I had to calculate how many trades my auto strategy had placed for the last 6 months. And then I had to calculate how many of them trades hit TP to give me my strike rate. So for the 6 months, my auto strategy placed 30 trades and 10 of the 30 trades hit TP, giving me a strike rate of 33.3%. Once I'd calculated what my strike rate was, I then had to go through and find all of my TP trades, so all trades that hit TP, and calculate what my RRR was, my risk reward ratio, meaning what I was gaining back on every trade. So for me, that was 2% on every trade. So my risk to reward ratio was 1 to 2. So every 1% I risked, I was gaining 2% back on all TP trades. Then manually, I calculated what all of them TP trades could have gained back without hitting the stop loss. So I would go through and calculate from a 1 to 2 if all of the trades could have a 1 to 2.5, a 1 to 3, a 1 to 3.5 without any of the trades or most of the trades hitting TP and not coming back to the stop loss. So for my auto strategy, the reward that I could get back the best was a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio across all 10 of the TP trades. So that was gaining me back 0.5% on all trades previously. So then to calculate the extra gain, I timed 0.5 or 0.5% by the 10 TP trades, meaning I could gain an extra 5% across the 6 month period. So quick sum up. Over the last 6 months, my auto strategy placed 30 trades. 15 of them trades hit stop loss at 1% each, so that was minus 15%. I then had 5 trades that were taken out at break even, meaning stop loss was placed at entry, but then price come back and took the trade out. And then I was left with 10 trades that hit TP at 1 to 2s, giving me 20%. So with minus the 15% we lost, with the 10%, with the 20% we gained, give me a 5% profit over the 6 month period. So now if I add the 5% that we gained from upping the risk to reward ratio from a 1 to 2 to a 1 to 2.5, gave me another 5%, which means for the 6 month period, I gained 10%. That gave me a 10% return on my auto strategy for the 6 month period, giving me a 100% gain or doubling my profits. So to calculate what you've done, go back over your previous trades, work out what your risk to reward ratio was and what you could move it to gain you more profits on each trade. So that's how I have doubled my profits as a full-time Forex day trader without placing any more trades, without upping the risk on any of my trades, and without gaining any more capital. If you're liking the trading content, make sure you subscribe to the Limitless Trading Club YouTube channel where I'll be dropping more trading content every week.